Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, August the 20th, 2021. Almost weekend, and the last puzzle I will solve in this additional 3 out of 6 because I won't do them all. Only 3 puzzles, and this will be number 3274. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O here, one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's in the first column, so the rest are ones. And then I need to compare, I think. I need to compare. Yeah. Yeah, I need to compare. Alright. Which row can I compare? Yeah, this row and that row. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. Here we have an O there, this should be a 1. And here we have a 1, this should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3. I need to compare again. Oh my god. Yeah, this one and this row. 1, 1, empty box. O, 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, great. Binary. I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the binaries, playlists for the tectonics, playlists for the letter Sudokus, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, etc. Just go to my channel and subscribe and you'll find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Have a great weekend. Until then, bye bye for now.